Now we have come to look at gold. I was telling you that I sense that gold is coming close to an important bottom, may have actually struck a bottom. I think it was around here. Well, we were not very far, we were around here. And look where it is. It is definitely recovering, no question. No question. When you look at also what's going on with other metals, what's going on with what is likely is building up in the currencies, notably the Australian dollar, US dollar, and you can't miss, of course, other currencies that are closely associated with gold and silver. There is definitely a background for a comeback in gold. Okay, that is the wave count that I settled on. Now taking this as a 1-2 on the hourly, that being a 3-4, and that's my final wave down. We got a tiny spike down here. Okay, it didn't live for very long over here. It just bounced back fairly quickly. And that's, in my opinion, a rally that has a fair chance of coming back. I mean, of accelerating and really building something. Okay, so that's my reading. That's my reading for now. I think that, let's go to the daily. We have tested this support level, and it looks like it's coming back. That's what I can say. We do have some help from the momentum here. You can see the histogram turning out. We got a nice cross on the daily. There is some evidence that the extreme oversold conditions are beginning to give way now to a bounce. How far that bounce will go, I cannot tell you. I don't know the future. What I can tell you in terms of the patterns here, that looks good. And given that I have almost a clear-cut set of an ABC, so I would naturally tell you that we are going at least to 4,900. Now, you all heard about this idea of the linking gold to the bonds in the US and a possible announcement tomorrow on the 4th of July. So none of us is really sure if this is going to happen or not. If we do have that, I can't see gold staying here, not for very long. No, it will rally like crazy. Yeah, it'll have all the incentives in the world to rally. First hurdle is a jump above 4,500, which coincides with the 200 moving average. Once we get that, the next hurdle is right here, 4,000, let's say 4,900, right here. Clearing that, and you go and search the top. So you got basically 2 jumps, basically to take you to record territory here. So that's 1, 2, 3. Okay, once we clear this level, anything could happen. Okay, so that's gold looking good, looking like it's coming back, looking like it's real comeback as far as I'm concerned. This is the chart of silver cash daily. We have the same thing playing out here. We have the A, we have the B looking textbook stuff, and we come down with a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that looks like behind us. You can see the turnaround. We also have support from the momentum here. Let me just get that. We have nice divergence here on the histogram. We've got a nice cross on the daily. When we drill to the, let's go to the hourly. Here's our hourly, and here I can work with this being 1, 2, 3, 4, or fourth wave may have ended here. Yeah, it's not going to make a huge difference. Fourth wave ended here. That gives me a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we are done. That gives me 1, 2. It steps outside this down sloping channel, coming down to retest, and it's ready to come back. Okay, it's ready to come back. What would not look very encouraging short term, I would dare say, for the bulls is suddenly sinking back under 59.5. Okay, sinking back like that will probably suggest to begin to have further correction, but it's no meltdown or anything like that. What is more likely, in my opinion, is this. Although I can't guarantee, I can't promise you anything, But what I think is more likely is this. And in the case of silver, let's go back to the daily and let's have a look at the possible levels that could stand in the way of developing rally. Now there is an extremely clear level here. And let me highlight it for you here. And it's right here. You can see this level. Just look all across for many months. This level, and this coincides with 7160. So it's a zone, yeah. And look at the 200. It's coming up, reaching towards this level. So silver clearing 72, let's say. Silver clearing 72, jumping above this line, sitting around here above the 200 moving average. That's excellent news. Excellent news for the birds, for the bulls. Now the next level is right here, which is at 89. Let's say 90. Okay, very clear, very clear. We have basically 1, 2, 3. Go back to retest the top. So again, we have 1, 2, 3. I think by the time we do 1, 2, the momentum will be so powerful that I would be signing on this idea, embracing this idea that we are going to run to test the previous high. Okay, so that's definitely looking good, looking healthy as far as the bulls are concerned.